Correct growth stage identification is critical when making agronomic decisions, and it's the best way of qualifying the growth of a crop in a standardised way that growers, advisors, researchers, and industry can all relate to. Understanding which stage the crop has reached is essential for effective fertiliser application and will also ultimately help maximise yields. Zadoks Growth Scale is the most commonly used growth stage key for cereals. The plant is accurately described at every stage in its life cycle by a precise numbered growth stage. For example, GS10 to GS19 represents seedling growth. The principal Zadoks growth stages in relation to disease control and nitrogen management are those from the start of stem elongation through to early flowering. That's GS30 to GS61. Early stem elongation, GS30 to GS33, is the period important for both nitrogen timing and protection of key leaves. To ensure correct identification of these growth stages, plant stems are cut longitudinally so that internal movement of the nodes and lengths of internodes can be measured. Leaf dissection at GS32 and GS33 is a method for determining which leaves are emerging from the main stem prior to the emergence of the flag leaf. Knowing which leaves are present is critical if fungicide use is to be optimised. The Zadoks growth stage key does not run chronologically. For example, when the crop reaches 3 fully unfolded leaves at GS13, it begins to tiller, GS20, before it has completed 4, 5 and 6 fully unfolded leaves, GS14, 15 and 16. Because growth stages overlap, it's possible to describe a plant with several growth stages at the same point in time. In Australian cereal crops, plants rarely reach GS29 before the main stem starts to elongate, GS30. And it's important to note that after stem elongation, the growth stage describes the stage of the main stem. It is not an average of all the tillers. And this is particularly important for fungicide timing. In addition to this video, the Cereal Growth Stages PDF can be accessed through the GRDC website.